Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the location of jack kit in 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. This is gonna be the same location if you own Chevrolet Traverse, Buick Enclave and GMC Acadia made from 2009 and all the way up to 2017. So to access jack kit on this vehicle you will have to go to the back of the vehicle in the trunk compartment. Once when you are in that compartment you will want to look at your left side and find this plastic cover. And now right behind this cover we actually have jack kit. To remove this cover you wanna put your fingers right there and just gently pull it out. And now you can see where is your jack kit located. So now I'm also gonna show you how to remove it. So this is the loose part. Now the jack itself, it's holding by this wing nut, so you just want to undo it by turning it counterclockwise, remove it, lift up a little bit and then pull it out. So there you go, this is your jack kit. And now to actually remove the tire, I'm gonna put this on the side. You will have to lift this up, open this up. You'll have to use your crowbar, just like it's shown in the picture. Open this little compartment and attach it to this part, and then turn it counterclockwise to drop the tire. So your spare tire is located in the back of the vehicle right underneath. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.